Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Speak with Iro. I am super excited and super ecstatic to have you today. And yes, I will tell you why. Because we are having a continuation from where we last from our previous video about the tools that you need to have to maintain a good personal development. And these were my personal tools that I'm sharing with you all. So today I want to talk about number two, and number two is observation. Observation for me is everything. Observation is everything. You want to make a mark, you want to be excellent as a person. You need to learn the skill of observation because observation pays attention to the little details. It doesn't skip you out on the little things. And sometimes the major things in life are the little things that we don't pay attention to. So observation helps, gives you this room to see what people don't see. You see beyond the face value. I don't mean like you're seeing the future. No. I'm saying you just see, have you ever been into a room? Everywhere is so well arranged, and but you could still spot there was something that was not placed in other. That's what observation does for you. To maintain a good personal development, I had to learn to observe. Observe the little things, those things that you think do not matter, is actually what matters. Observation is everything. You don't skip out on things. You don't skip out on deals, on people. You don't skip out on things. Observation was something for me that I had to consciously learn. I had to pay attention. It makes you pay attention. You can't be distracted if you're observing. It kind of just keeps you rooted. It keeps you on attention. It keeps you alert. When you're observing, you cannot be anywhere else. You already solved the problem of you not mind traveling and give grace to the speaker or whatever you're doing. When you're observing, you cannot be mind travel. You cannot be distracted. You are in the moment. For me, observation is a key, and it's a tool, sorry, it's a skill. And everyone should be able to learn to observe to a very large extent. So say, but I'm not an observation person. You should learn to. It's going to it's going to change the course of how you do things. You can even people could write a book the way you write a book, but because you pay attention to little details, your book becomes excellent. And when I use the word, it'll make you excellent. I wasn't joking. You remember the little things that's not there. You see the little things that needs to be there. I like to call it the little spices that may not be needed, but yet when it's put in the food, it works miracles. It works the magic. So the little things, little things matter in everything: personal life, relationship, family, your work, the little things. People have had long time issues, long time arguments, long time quarrels because they missed out on the little things. Observation is powerful. If you give it the power, you will see how powerful it is. Your personal development, you are the person you're trying to develop on a daily basis. So one thing you should develop is observation. It will make you maintain a good personal development. Observation. I'm so emotional about it, but you get it, right? Just observe. Observe. I learn to do that every day. I learn to look. What's missing? What's there? What's not there? What's supposed to be there? Observe. It's key. So yeah, thank you all so much. Remember, it is not a monologue. It's always a dialogue. I'm always in a conversation here. Okay, hashtag juicy conversation. I'm always in a conversation here, and yes, and yes, and yes, you are your first supermodel. Don't you ever forget it. Okay, bye.